Hey, welcome to Kat's Vegan Kitchen, where I show you don't have to be a chef to make delicious vegan and plant-based recipes. Today we're making chocolate cupcakes. These are not only super delicious, I promise if you bring them to work or school, you'll make tons of friends by sharing them. They also only take about 20 minutes to whip up. We're gonna start with 1 1/2 cups of white flour. We're gonna add in 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Then we're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of sugar. That's all our dry ingredients. We're just gonna mix them up real quick. What's great about this recipe is it can be made in one bowl. I'm making it as cupcakes, but if you'd rather make a cake, stick around and I'll tell you how to do that at the end. Now we're gonna add in our wet ingredients. We're gonna add in 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. I'm using canola oil. We're also gonna add in about 1 cup of cold water. You can replace the cold water with coffee, which will give it a really deep, rich flavor. Now we're gonna add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And here's the special secret. We're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. We're gonna give it a quick mix with our whisk, and then we're gonna mix it up with our beaters. Make sure while you're beating, you're scraping the sides to get all that delicious chocolate and sugar and flour mixed in. We're gonna beat it just till it's really well mixed and liquidy, about 1.5 minutes. You want to make sure your oven has been heating at 375 degrees. I find it super easy to fill these if you fill the chocolate batter in a measuring cup and use your spatula to stop the stream. We're going to fill these so the containers are about 2/3 full. All right, we're gonna slide our cupcakes in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Our cupcakes have been cooking for about 20 minutes and they are perfectly done. I'm gonna show you how I know they're done. I'm gonna set my cupcakes on this cooling rack, and I tested them to see if they were done by sticking a toothpick in the center. If it comes out clean, you know they're perfect. Now I'm gonna let my cupcakes cool on this rack in the container for about 1 minute or 2. Then I'm gonna pop them out, let them cool on the cooling rack for about 1 hour, and frost them with my favorite vegan frosting. Now that our cupcakes are nice and cool, we're ready to frost them. Here's my secret tip. There are some store-bought brands that are vegan. If you're looking for a homemade vegan frosting, check out my website at catsvegankitchen.com. I promised to tell you how to make this as a cake. If you want to make a cake instead of cupcakes, you just pour the batter into a 9 by 13 pan and cook it at 375 for 25 to 30 minutes. Enjoy your cupcakes.